The menstrual cycle is one of the most powerful indicators of a woman's overall health. Yet so many people still don't know what is truly normal and what could be a warning sign. In today's video, we're going to explore menstrual health in a way you've probably never heard before. We'll uncover what a healthy menstrual cycle should look like, the signs of irregular periods you should never ignore, and when it's crucial to see a doctor. By the end, you'll not only understand your period better, but you'll also be able to recognize heavy bleeding, severe period pain, or sudden changes as signals your body is sending and why listening to them could protect your long-term health. A healthy menstrual cycle isn't just about bleeding once a month. It's a delicate balance of hormones, ovulation, energy, and mood that repeats in a rhythm every 21 to 35 days, with 28 being the most common. Menstrual bleeding usually lasts between 3 and 7 days. The flow should be steady but not overwhelming. If you're constantly asking yourself, "Is my period normal?" then this video is for you. Because too often, women are told to ignore their pain or accept irregular periods as just part of being a woman. But the truth is, heavy bleeding, missed periods, or extreme cramps are not something you should have to endure. So, what counts as normal menstrual health? Your cycle should follow a fairly predictable pattern. A missed period here and there due to stress or travel isn't usually concerning. But if you experience irregular periods month after month, that can point to conditions like PCOS, thyroid imbalance, or even perimenopause. Think of your cycle like a health tracker. When the rhythm is steady, it signals balance. When it's chaotic, it's a red flag you shouldn't ignore. This is where being informed makes all the difference. Let's go deeper into the symptoms that require attention. First, heavy menstrual bleeding. If you're soaking through pads or tampons every hour, that's not normal. This can cause anemia and could also be a sign of fibroids or endometriosis. Second, severe period pain. Yes, cramps happen, but if you're curled up in bed unable to move or missing school and work, that's not just bad luck. That level of pain often signals conditions like endometriosis, which affects millions of women but often goes undiagnosed for years. Third, sudden cycle changes. If your periods have always been regular but suddenly become unpredictable, that's your body sounding an alarm. Fourth, spotting between periods or after sex. This is never something to brush aside. It can indicate infections, hormonal imbalances, or in rare cases, cancer. Now let's address emotional symptoms. Hormonal shifts can cause mild mood swings, but if you experience extreme depression, anxiety, or anger linked to your cycle, this may be premenstrual dysphoric disorder, a severe form of PMS. This isn't about being too emotional, it's about brain chemistry. Recognizing it and seeking medical help can transform not only your cycle but your mental health. Lifestyle also plays a huge role in menstrual health. Poor diet, lack of sleep, and chronic stress can throw your hormones into chaos. A diet low in iron or vitamin D can worsen fatigue. Not getting enough sleep disrupts hormonal rhythm, and stress can literally shut down ovulation, leading to irregular periods or missed cycles. The good news: making small adjustments in your lifestyle can help regulate your cycle, ease cramps, and improve your energy throughout the month. Doctors today emphasize that the menstrual cycle is a vital sign, just like blood pressure or heart rate. Irregularities can signal deeper health concerns: diabetes, heart disease risk, or bone density issues. This is why paying attention to your cycle isn't just about fertility, about protecting your future health. Every month, your body sends you a report card through your period. The question is, are you reading it? And let's not forget the silence around this topic. Many women feel embarrassed to talk about their periods, even when they're in pain. From a young age, many are told to toughen up, that heavy bleeding or unbearable cramps are just part of life. But that's not true. Suffering in silence is not strength. Real strength is listening to your body, seeking answers, and demanding the care you deserve. So, when should you see a doctor about your menstrual health? If your period pain is unbearable, if your cycle is irregular month after month, if your bleeding is excessively heavy, or if you have spotting between cycles, you should absolutely consult a doctor. Ignoring these signs only delays solutions. And here's one of the most overlooked red flags: postmenopausal bleeding. If you haven't had a period for over a year and suddenly bleed again, even lightly, this can be a sign of uterine cancer. It's often dismissed, but catching it early can save lives. Your body is always speaking to you. Heavy bleeding, irregular periods, mood swings, severe cramps, none of these should be brushed aside. They're not punishments of womanhood. They're messages, and your job is to listen. By paying attention and seeking help when something feels off, you're protecting not only your reproductive health but your overall well-being. If this video helped you understand your menstrual cycle in a new way, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends, sisters, or daughters. Too many women are silently suffering when they don't have to. And if you're new here, subscribe for more insights into health, hormones, and wellness. Because the more knowledge we share, the healthier and stronger we all become. Remember, your period is not just a monthly inconvenience. It's a vital sign, a mirror of your inner health, and a powerful tool to understand your body. Respect it, listen to it, and never hesitate to seek help. Because your health matters and so do you.